Hey friends! I hope you're hungry today because I'm going to show you how to make delicious vegan-friendly biscuits that just so happen to be shaped like foxes. Being creative in the kitchen is so much fun, so let's go! To make these cute little cookies you will need butter, white sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, plain flour, bicarbonate soda, salt, soy milk or any other non-dairy milk, a fox cookie cutter or any kind of cutter that you fancy. You could also have food colouring for your dough, decorative icing and different spreads like chocolate spread or jam if you like. Mix the butter and sugar together until creamy. In a separate bowl, sift the flour, then mix in the bicarbonate of soda and salt. Now gradually add the dry ingredients to your butter and sugar mixture, stirring until combined. Pour in the plant milk and vanilla extract. Then mix until you form a soft dough. If you want your biscuits to have a little extra personality, now is the time to add some food colouring. You can split your dough in two if you want different colours for different cookies. I'm adding a touch of orange for my foxy friends. Roll out your dough on a floured surface until it's about half a centimetre thick. Then use your preferred cookie cutter to create your biscuits. If you find it a little sticky, just add more flour, including onto the cookie cutter itself. Place your cookies on a sheet of baking parchment once ready. For the best results, pop the cookies into the fridge for about an hour. This helps them to hold their shape when baking. If you're eager to get baking, you could skip this step, but just keep in mind that they might spread a little. If you're keeping your cookies simple, you could sprinkle a little sugar on top before baking. Place them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes, but do keep an eye on them so that they don't burn. Once baked, let your cookies cool completely on a wire rack. And now for the fun part, decorating. Use icing pens or picked icing, melted chocolate, sprinkles, or you can even stack them with jam or peanut butter filling for an extra indulgence. Crispy on the edges, soft in the middle, absolutely delicious. Have a go and see what delectable treats you can create. Please let me know how yours turn out and what shapes you make. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your cookies!